Hey there, business owners and ambitious entrepreneurs. Are you looking for a way to supercharge your sales and finally break through the noise in today's crowded digital marketplace? If you've ever felt frustrated by cold traffic that just won't convert, you're not alone. But what if you could turn those cold prospects into blazing hot leads, eager to hear from you and ready to buy? Imagine the thrill of watching your inbox fill up with new leads and sales notifications, all because you made one smart change to your marketing strategy. That's the power of VidEngager. Meet VidEngager, the world's first and only AI-powered app designed to craft hyper-personalized video funnels, stunning video pages, and even video emails that get noticed. This isn't just another marketing tool, it's a complete game changer for anyone serious about growing their business online. Picture this. You're able to effortlessly build beautiful, high-converting video funnels and personalized video pages that truly captivate your audience. No more struggling with complicated software or hiring expensive designers. With VidEngager, it's all at your fingertips. In just minutes, you can create engaging video emails that not only grab attention, but also drive real sales. All from a single, easy-to-use dashboard. No technical skills required, just your message and your passion. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, an email marketer, a content creator, a business coach, or even a local business owner, VidEngager is your secret weapon for standing out and making a lasting impression. So why do you need VidEngager in your marketing arsenal? Let me break it down for you step by step. First, you can build high-converting video funnels for everything from affiliate promotions and product launches to webinars, online courses, and more. No matter your niche, VidEngager adapts to your needs. Next, create fully personalized video pages in seconds. Add your branding, your offers, and your unique touch. Then, send out video emails that skyrocket your open rates and click-throughs. Because let's face it, video is what people want to see. But that's not all. Automate your video posting to all your social media channels 24/7 and tap into a stream of free organic traffic. Imagine your content working for you around the clock, even while you sleep. And it doesn't stop there. VidEngager is packed with features designed to make your life easier and your marketing more effective. Generate stunning, professional quality videos from a library of templates with just a few clicks thanks to the AI-powered video creation engine. No video editing experience? No problem. Boost engagement with dynamic personalization. Tailor your content to each viewer, making them feel seen and valued. This is how you craft content that truly resonates, connects, and converts casual viewers into loyal customers. With VidEngager, you're not just chasing views. You're building real relationships and turning those views into leads, customers, and profits. Every video you create is a step toward growing your business. And the best part? You can go live in under 27 seconds with a lightning-fast setup. No more waiting around or getting bogged down in tech headaches. Add dynamic call-to-action buttons right inside your video pages. Turn passive viewers into instant buyers with interactive elements that guide them to take action, whether it's signing up, booking a call, or making a purchase. And don't worry about losing leads on mobile. Everything is fully mobile optimized, so your audience can engage with your content anytime, anywhere on any device. Track every click, lead, and sale in real time with our powerful analytics dashboard. Instantly see what's working and where you can improve so you can scale your results faster than ever. Plus, with VidEngager, you pay just once, no monthly fees, no hidden charges, ever. That means more money in your pocket and less stress about recurring bills. Creating stunning video funnels is as easy as 1, 2, 3. No complicated steps, no steep learning curve, just results. Simply choose your video, add your offers and call to actions, and deploy your funnel link. Share it anywhere, on your website, in your emails, or across your social channels. Instantly collect targeted leads and track your campaign results in real time. Watch as your list grows and your sales climb, all thanks to the power of video. So if you're ready to take your marketing to the next level and finally get the results you deserve, VidEngager is your all-in-one solution. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Don't just take our word for it. Hit the link below and watch VidEngager in action. See for yourself how easy and powerful it is to transform your marketing. Let's turn those leads into loyal customers and those customers into raving fans. Start your journey with VidEngager today and watch your sales soar.